Good morning, everyone. Hello, you are watching PPT News, where you get fast, accurate, and unbiased news first. If you want to get every big news of the country and abroad, politics, sports, entertainment, and business, immediately then subscribe to our channel PPT News now and press the bell icon because the news is only that which shows the truth. Stay update every moment with PPT News. So subscribe now to PPT News, your voice, your news. BJP MLA Sunil Satal Sangwan from said that with the faith with which the people of the constituency have sent him to assembly as no MLA, no stone will be left unturned to develop the Dadri constituency as per their expectations. Whatever problems there are in the villages, they are being resolved by reaching out to the people along with the officers. MLA Sunil Satal Sangwan on Monday visited a dozen villages including Samaspur, Khatiwas, Lohorwada, Morwala, Bigowa, Imlota, Kaneti, Bhagvi, and thank you. During this, the villagers put forth their problems like street construction, drinking water supply, road constructions, water logging, etc. before him. MLA, after listening to the problems of the villagers, assured to get them resolved soon through the concerned officers. MLA Sunil Satal Sangwan said that he has become MLA to serve the people and will always be ready to serve them. He said that people can come with their problems at any time. His doors will be open 24 hours. He said that the BJP government headed by Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini is setting new dimensions of development while leading Haryana for the third time. At the same time, people are getting direct benefits of various schemes of the government. Someone said that the development of Dadri is being taken forward through the statement government. Work has also started on the ground to fulfill the promise made in his Sankalp Patra. Girls can improve their lives by taking loan for higher education at concessional rate. Under the scheme, 5% subsidy is given on interest on education loan. Haryana Women Development Corporation provides 5% subsidy on interest rate to girls and women on taking loan from banks to get higher education in India and abroad. It is necessary for the women and girls availing the benefits of the scheme to be a permanent resident of Haryana. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that no girls students should be deprived of getting higher education due to high interest rate. Therefore, the government is committed to give subsidy at 5% interest rate to girls and women on getting higher education. This scheme is being run under direction of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini with the aim of giving